how to change Instagram note color. If you want your Instagram notes to appear in different colors like gold, pink or blue, you can do this by adding specific words to your note. I'll walk you through the steps to make it happen. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the message icon in the top right corner. This will open your chat list. At the top of your chats, you will see the Notes section. To create a new note, tap on your profile icon in the Notes section. This will bring up a text field where you can type your message. Normally, Instagram notes appear in a standard color, but you can change the color by including specific words in your text. If you want your note to confetti emoji party makes confetti rain on the screen when you open the note. There are also certain emojis that can change the background color of your note. By experimenting with different words and emojis, you can customize how your notes appear to your followers. Keep in mind that this feature is based on Instagram's automatic formatting, so not all words may work. You can test different variations to see which ones change the color of your notes. That showed a change Instagram note color.